So the Samsung Galaxy S26 series, especially the S26 Ultra, yes, which I am also waiting eagerly for this mobile. When we talk about the this mobile's features till the news now, according to the news till now, I'm making this video. This Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra mobile is coming to Ultra features. First, start with the display. This mobile is going to come with a 6.9 inches of fluid AMOLED. The dynamic AMOLED 2x 120 Hz refresh display, and it is going to be a HDR10 plus supported, Dolby Vision supported, probably 8-bit panel. And this mobile is also coming with the third generation of anti-reflective coating on the display, and it is also going to come with the AI supported privacy feature which hides the mobile's display. So this is a feature which is a new feature. And when we talk about the processor, obviously this mobile is going to come with the latest Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 for Galaxy, a little bit of high tuned processor, higher clocked version of the Gen 5 processor, which is a 5nm based which is a 3nm based 5G octa-core processor. Obviously, when we talk about the memory variants, probably this might be available in two variants mostly. 12GB RAM 256 12GB RAM 256, 12GB RAM 512GB, 16GB 1TB variant may or may not available till the news now, but eventually it will be available. But when we talk about this variants types, these are all going to be UFS 4.1 storage, UFS 6.0. They are trying to name it as the UFS 6.0, probably the next version of the UFS 4.1's upgraded version. Probably it could be UFS 6.0 version with the LPDDR5X Ultra Plus RAM type. Probably they might name another thing. When we talk about the cameras, this one is also coming the quad rear cameras, where you can find a 200 megapixels of main wide angle camera with a slightly bigger aperture, and also a 50 megapixels of ultra wide angle camera, 50 megapixels of telephoto camera, and a 12 megapixels of the other camera. So we can shoot up to 8K 30 fps with this mobile's back cameras. And also for the front, it is rumored like it might come with a 32 megapixels of front facing wide angle selfie shooter, which can support 4K 60 fps. When we talk about the battery, the news till now in some sites says that it might come with the same 5000 mAh of battery, but some other news blogs says that, website says that it might come with a 5600 mAh of battery, a slightly bigger battery. And the only thing which is confirmed from the Samsung is that this mobile comes with a 60 watts of fast charge through wire support instead of 45 watts. And it also supports higher wireless charging, that means 15 watts to the 25 watts wireless charging support. And it also comes with a Qi2 magnet supports, which you will probably see in an iPhone, which supports magnetic type of things. When we talk about the other features, like this mobile will come with the obviously titanium body with the front and back glasses, protect with the conical glass Victus 3 probably. And this one also comes with the IP68 and 69 water and dust resistance. This mobile also comes with slightly rounded corners more than the S25 Ultra, and this mobile is also going to be a slightly lighter mobile than the S25 Ultra. And this mobile is also going to come with the S Pen, which is also curved in one angle to fit in the mobile itself. And when we talk about this mobile's other features, like this mobile will be available in different colors. I will list the colors in the description box down below with the other link videos of my channel. Below that subscribe and like button, you can go and check it out from there. When we talk about the operating system, out of the box, this mobile will come with Android version 16 out of the box with the One UI 8.5. Yes, which is the my favorite UI till now. So I'm also eagerly waiting for this mobile's unpacked event, which is going to held on February 26th, the next month 26th basically. When we are seeing a lot of trend in the mobile companies that the prices are going really high and high. If you compare the iQOO 13 to 15 and the Realme GT8 to the probably the last generation mobile, but Samsung is trying to keep the mobile price similarly to the equal to the last generation released prices, because they are the only manufacturers of the RAM and storages, right? So this is also one more improvement in the price section also, which is not increasing. And when we talk about the other features like box content, yeah, probably this mobile also not going to come with any charger or any TP case included in the box of the mobile, but it is going to come with the Type-C cable, just that's it. And when we talk about the other features of this mobile, it is also going to come with the latest features such as Wi-Fi 7 tri-band support, Bluetooth 6.0, NFC, all the sensors like gyroscope, proximity sensor, compass, everything. This is also going to come with the much improved camera section for the portrait shots and also for the night photography shots also. So this mobile is also going to comes in probably these are the some improvements in this mobile, like the processor obviously and the display in terms of the privacy feature, and also the battery and charging speeds also. So those are the features of this mobile. So do let me know in the comment section down below if you like this video, and if you want to see any videos from my channel, do let me know in the comment section down below. So that's it for the video. Hit the like button and also the subscribe button. Before to that, hear me out. The price of this mobile might comes around 1,39,000 to 1,49,000 rupees, in between that price range. So that's it for the video. Hit the like button and also the subscribe button.